Okay, this is $1 taken to $100 trading even number alone in few minutes. This is trade $1 to be taken to 1.96. So we are waiting for trade 2. Okay, while we are waiting, you see it, trade 2, $1 made to $3.84. We are waiting for trade 3. You see, this we are produced using high level analysis. It is behind the scene, and the course is live on my private YouTube playlist. You see, trade 3 has been taken. You see, some people don't have money to trade Forex or synthetic, but with this binary option, you can actually grow your $1 to $100. What you need is the strategy. We use wave spectrum driven strategy. You see, there is no loss here. This is trade 3, $1 to be made to 7.52. okay, it's already traded. We are waiting for trade 4. You need to buy this course. The cost of getting this course, like the enrollment fee, is very affordable right now. In fact, it's the cheapest course ever. Is the cheapest course ever. Over is selling at $75. Remember that WINFX trading is a kind of forex asset and is more of bull market. Once something is released, once any of my product is released, at the initial stage it's very cheap. So all you need to do is to take the opportunity before the price will skyrocket. Not that it will skyrocket so much, but once it's like a lot of people are buying the course, maybe up to 100 or more, then the price will rise so that the brokers will not know what is happening. If brokers detect this strategy, they might change. So be the first people that will cash out using this course. You have to change your life. This is trade 4, $1 made to $14 plus. You see, we are going there. We are going to hit $100. It will surprise you, but it's very simple. This is less than 5 minutes. $1 made to $100. You know, you can make this type of money 5 times a day. Like, can have more than 5 trading sessions in a day. Doing this is a very simple strategy, but very mighty. That's why it's selling at $75. Soon it might hit all-time high of $1,000 and even go as far as $10,000. Only the people that are rich then will have access to it, or nobody will have access to it at all, because that's the only way I can regulate, I can prevent the brokers from knowing what I'm doing. Okay, yes, so think about it. So it's going, the broker cannot control, like they can't control what I'm doing, because they don't know the strategy. No matter how they manipulate the market, I will still win. So I want to share the same idea to you. You have to buy the course, $75. Soon it might skyrocket to very big prices that you cannot be able to afford it, okay? Because this is fast money that brokers don't want you to know. Okay? So let's see the next trade. We're about hitting $100. Oh my god, this could be the, let's see what's going on here. This is the last trade on the 40th minutes. The 4th minutes. This is the 4th minutes. That is the after 4 minutes. So we're on the 7th trade. This is the 7th trade and the last trade. We hit it $1,000 plus. So go on to join my Telegram channel. DM at Danny Ezeshuku. Request for the course, $75 right now. Soon it might go to $150 and beyond. Thank you. Bye.